Hello students, we are going to start part 1 in 6th standard maths. Chapter number 1, basic concept in geometry. First concept is point. A teeny dot made by a finely pointed instrument on a sheet of paper conveys the idea of a point. म्हणजेच अत्यंत टोकदार वस्तूने कागदावर काढलेला टिपका म्हणजे बिंदू होय. The dot is the symbol for a point. Capital letters of the English alphabet are used the name points. A point has a position but no magnitude. म्हणजेच बिंदूला नाव देण्यासाठी इंग्रजी कॅपिटल अक्षराचा उपयोग करतात. बिंदूला लांबी, रुंदी, जाडी नसते. First concept is point. In this plane, I draw 3 points P, point R, point T. Here 3 points, but there are infinite points in this plane. Points R, P and T. Second concept, line segment. If we join two distinct points A and B using a ruler, म्हणजेच बिंदू A व B पट्टीच्या मदतीने जोडले असता रेषाखंड AB मिळतो. A line segment has a definite length. म्हणजेच रेषाखंडाला निश्चित अशी लांबी असते. Line segment म्हणजे रेषाखंड. I draw point A and point B. Join this point. Join A and B. Here we get a line segment written as seg AB or seg BA and reading seg AB or seg BA. A line segment has a definite length. म्हणजे रेषाखंडाला निश्चित अशी लांबी असते. Third concept, line म्हणजेच रेषा. If we extend a line segment endlessly on both sides, we get a line. म्हणजेच रेषाखंड दोन्ही बाजूंना वाढवला असता आपल्याला रेषा मिळते. रेषा दोन्ही बाजूंना अमर्याद वाढवता येते. In mathematics, line means a straight line. Line extend indefinitely on both the sides. To show this, we use arrows heads at both the end of a line. Here I draw line. This is line L, and here note down 2 points, these 2 arrows. Here I extend endlessly both sides. This line written as one letter line L or line AB, line AB. Here I extend to both sides and draw arrows heads at both the end of a line. Fourth concept is ray म्हणजे किरण. A ray is a part of a line. A ray starts at one point and goes on indefinitely in one direction. The starting point of the ray is called origin. म्हणजेच किरण हा रेषेचा एक भाग असतो. एका बिंदूपासून सुरू होऊन तो एकाच दिशेने पुढे जातो. ज्या बिंदूपासून सुरू होतो त्याला आरंभ बिंदू असे म्हणतात. This point is origin and extend one side. Here draw one arrow and extend one side. origin point is P, PA. Written and reading ray, PA. Ray, PA. The starting point of ray is called origin. In the figure, P is the origin of the ray PA. Next concept is concurrent lines, म्हणजेच एकसंपाती रेषा. When three or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. म्हणजेच जेव्हा दोनापेक्षा अधिक रेषा एकाच बिंदूत छेदतात तेव्हा त्या रेषांना एकसंपाती रेषा असे म्हणतात. त्यांच्या छेदनबिंदूला संपात बिंदू म्हणतात. Concurrent lines. Here I draw concurrent lines. One line. Name this line L. And second line, I name this line M. Two lines. And next third line is, I draw third line. Name this line N. And these three lines pass through one point. Point P is the concurrence point. L, N, M, three lines pass through one point. P is the concurrence point. P is point of concurrence. म्हणजे P हा संपात बिंदू आहे. 6 number concept, collinear points. Three or more points which lie on the same line are said to be collinear points. म्हणजेच जेव्हा 3 किंवा अधिक बिंदू एका सरळ रेषेत असतात त्यांना एकरेषीय बिंदू असे म्हणतात. collinear points. Collinear points. Here I draw points A, B, C, D and E. There 5 points. I take scale and draw one line in this point. Here I show these 5 points in one line. So these points are collinear points. Collinear points A, B, C, D, E. This points is collinear points. Here I draw 2 points P and Q. Two distinct points are always collinear. Next, non-collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. म्हणजेच एकाच रेषेवर नसलेल्या बिंदूंना नैकरेषीय बिंदू असे म्हणतात. Here I draw 4 lines A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. These points are non-collinear points. A and D, these two distinct points are collinear, but B and C is not collinear. So these 4 points is non-collinear points. A, B, C and D, non-collinear points. Next concept is plane. A flat surface which extends infinitely in all direction is called a plane. म्हणजेच सर्व दिशांनी अमर्याद वाढणाऱ्या सपाट पृष्ठभागाला प्रतल असे म्हणतात. Plane, a flat surface which extends infinitely in all direction is called a plane. Here I draw plane H. In the figure, arrows are drawn on all sides to show that the plane extends infinitely in all directions. However, for a sake convenience, arrows are omitted. Next concept is parallel lines. Lines which lie the same plane but do not intersect each other are said to be parallel lines. एकाच प्रतलात असलेल्या व परस्परांना न छेदणाऱ्या रेषांना समांतर रेषा असे म्हणतात. या रेषा दोन्ही बाजूंना कितीही वाढवल्या तरी ते एकमेकांना छेदत नाहीत. We see parallel lines in many places in our area. For example, aids of doors, aids of a scale. Parallel lines in plane H, I draw parallel lines, line M and line L. I extend both sides, but they are not intersect each other, so they called parallel lines. Two aids of scale. Here I given some questions for your homework. Study and write down answers. Question 1. Write down names. In this question, I draw a figure, some lines and names it A, B, C, D, E, F and concurrence point is O. Write down these 5 questions answers. First, collinear points. Write down collinear points. Second, non-collinear points. Third, write down concurrence point. Fourth, 5 line segments. Fifth, 3 lines name. Write down answers these 5 questions. Next question is, observe this figure and write down answers. Question number 2, write down answers. Observe this figure. Here I draw some points and name it B, E, F, A, C, G, I, H, D. First, collinear points. Write down. Second, non-collinear points. Third, how many lines draw from point A and H? Fourth, is points B, E, F are collinear points? Write down answers. Maths is my companion in the sky. म्हणजेच गणित माझा सोबती आकाशात. There are countless stars in the sky. म्हणजे आपण आकाशात अनेक तारे बघतो. ते एका बिंदूप्रमाणे दिसतात. काही सरळ रेषेत असतात तर काही नैकरेषीय असतात. You can observe which stars are linear and which are not linear. म्हणजेच आपण आकाशातील ताऱ्यांचे निरीक्षण करून कोलिनियर आणि नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स निरीक्षण करू शकतो. See some stars in the sky. Fun म्हणजेच थोडीशी गंमत. Take a flat piece of a cardboard. म्हणजे एका कार्डबोर्डचा किंवा थर्माकोलचा सपाट पुठ्ठा घेऊन एक बिंदू घ्या आणि सुईमध्ये दोरा ओवून तुम्ही त्याचे वेगवेगळे आकाराचे डिझाईन्स काढू शकता. पहा, अशा प्रकारे काही डिझाईन्स तुम्ही काढू शकता. सुईत दोरा ओवून तुम्हाला काढता येतील. Take a piece of cardboard, a needle and thread. Tie a big knot at one end of the thread. Thread the needle with the other end. म्हणजेच पुठ्ठ्याचा एक तुकडा आणि सुई दोरा घ्या. दोऱ्याच्या एका टोकाला मोठी गाठ मारा, एखादे बटन बांधा आणि खाली टोचून वर घ्या. पास द नीडल ऑफ थ्रू एनी कन्व्हिनियंट पॉईंट पी ऑन द कार्डबोर्ड लिव्हिंग नॉट बिलो. म्हणजेच पी बिंदू हे नाव द्या आणि जेथून दोरा वर आलेला आहे त्या बिंदूला पी बिंदू नाव द्या. पुल द थ्रेड अप, रिमूव्ह द निडल and put it aside. Hold the free end of thread and gently pull it straight. What shape do you see? म्हणजेच सुई काढून टाकल्यानंतर दोऱ्याचे दुसरे टोक ताणून धरा. कोणती आकृती दिसते? Holding the thread stand, turn it around point P in the different direction. See how a countless number of line can pass through a single point. एका बिंदूतून असंख्य रेषा काढता येतात. See this figure. In this way, we make some designs from needle and thread. Activities: find and make a list of objects where you see parallel lines. म्हणजेच समांतर रेषा ज्या ठिकाणी पाहिलेत त्यांची यादी तयार करा. Next, complete this rangoli. Here, draw some points and complete this rangoli. Next, here I draw some points. Draw this rangoli and make a beautiful design. Students, today we have learned the basic of geometry. Draw all figures and give them names. म्हणजे मुलांना आज आपण भूमितीतील मूलभूत संबोध शिकलोय. काही आकृत्या काढल्यात, त्यांना नावं देखील दिलेली आहेत. Complete the given home study so that you will have a good practice. तुम्ही दिलेला अभ्यास पूर्ण करा, तुमचा गणिताचा चांगला सराव होईल. So thanks my 6th standard students. We will started part 1. Subject Maths. I hope you understand all these concepts. Thanks my dear friends. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly. Subscribe my channel and like me.